Welcome back, Central Texas. We are taking a live look. This is a look for our friends that are in Kerrville. This is a look just in front of the Guadalupe River where you can see massive amounts of rainfall just continuing to move through the area. And once again, it's still dark outside. So once that sun comes up, we're really going to start to see the effects of not only the heavy rainfall from the flash flood emergencies we've seen, but as well as tornado warnings, multiple tornado warnings, some of which that are still active at this very moment. So it is still a pretty active scene. We are continuing to monitor this system as this rain, this activity, that is where our rain chances are stemming from. It's going to be the leftover energy that this system still has once it makes its way into Central Texas. So we are continuing to monitor this situation, but once again, we've seen well over a foot of rain for our friends just in the Hill Country. We take a look at some of those warnings. As I mentioned, 2 active tornado warnings for our friends further south. We're talking Camp Wood. We're also talking areas just outside of Kerrville, closer to Utopia, and we still have those flash flood warnings and flash flood emergencies. So it's still a mess out there. If you have family and friends, you still want to keep an eye and check out and reach out on them. As I mentioned, it's just outside of our viewing area, but we're now starting to pull in that energy. We're pulling in those showers, moisture activity, and that is what's driving our rain chances as we head throughout the rest of today. That is the reason why we have a weather impact alert issued for you this Thursday morning. But as we head into the afternoon, we're going to start to see more of that energy, that activity break apart, become a little bit less organized, and that's going to be some of our saving grace as we head throughout the rest of today. But as I mentioned, it's still a pretty active scene. We've seen showers and thunderstorms since Sunday for some of you, and that on top of what we've already seen is only worsening the problem. Within these past 24 hours, you can see more of those higher rainfall totals. Quite obviously, it has trended for our friends further south. We're talking Llanos, San Saba, Lampasas. We've seen about 2 inches, 2.5 inches for areas that are pretty lucky, where we can't say the same, where we've seen those higher rainfall totals well over an inch. Well over a foot within the past 24 hours. So we're continuing to send our friends and loved ones prayers and thoughts for sure. We know resources across the state are being deployed down there as well as we speak, especially even our very own Waco firefighters are being sent down there to help our friends. Well, since Sunday here in our area, this is where we've seen some of our higher rainfall totals, about 4 or 5 inches of rain. It is still raining, so we are anticipating these numbers to go up. I will say, though, the saving grace is that the stationary boundary that has caused all this moisture to just sit into place, it is now making it exit and working its way further along the northeastern half of the country. And as that happens, it's going to allow the window to open up for drier conditions in our atmosphere to work its way into the state. We're going to see high pressure build in. We're going to see sunny skies return, warm weather. We need it. We deserve a break after what has been an active week of weather. July is supposed to be one of our quiet months. That's not been the case here for us. This has been one of the wettest time periods we've seen thus far. And we actually are expecting to exceed our yearly rainfall totals. We're only about an inch away. So yeah, it's been a pretty wet summer here for us. But next week, we're going to get more into that summer-like pattern across the area. Here's a look at that futurecast. Rain we're expecting throughout the rest of the day. As I mentioned, it's going to be spotty once we get to about the lunchtime hour and a little bit after that, but still some widely scattered thunderstorms are not out of the question completely. So keep that umbrella, keep the rain gear nearby there for you. We get into tomorrow morning, maybe another stray shower or 2, and then by the time we head into Saturday and Sunday, things start to clear out. We're expecting sunny skies to return as well. Since rain is trending down, we see those totals also trending down, maybe in half an inch of rain expected over these next couple of days. Cloudy skies. Rain continues. Temperatures on the rise, upper 90s if not triple digits by the time we get into early and mid next week. Make sure you have our 6 News streaming app where we provide 24/7 live radar access. We're going to have more 6 News and weather coming up for you after the